Hey guys, welcome to the prop firm Selector. So if you have purchased the challenge recently from a prop firm, then you have seen these platforms. If you are confused now which one to use, so in this video I am going to share my personal experience with these platforms, and also I will tell you all the features and all the things about these platforms. So now let's talk about ctrader. So in terms of having multiple features, ctrader is the best, because if you want to do algo trading, if you want to do grid strategy trading, or you want to implement your own EA bot, you can do this with the ctrader, because there are many things you cannot do in MT5 and MT4, but you can do these things in ctrader. So that's why I like ctrader in this case. And ctrader is available for Windows, Mac users and iOS users, and also as well as Android users. So if you want varieties of options, then you can use ctrader. Again, I am saying this, but if you that type of guy who don't like to have multiple options, who just like a simple UI, then this is not for you, because it has very complex user interface. So if you are very confused trader who just want to execute his trade without any complications, you can just use any other platform. But ctrader is not for beginners, I'm pretty sure about this. So if you want a super cool UI, then this is not for you. Okay, so let's talk about matchtrader. So they have very good social networking with the people, because they always try to organize some expos or meetings. And the best part is that if you are using matchtrader, then you don't need any external app to journalizing your trade. So you can just journal your trades without even writing even a single trade. Okay, matchtrader will give you a performance tab where you can see all your trades, what your performance is, and you can see your win rate and all the statics. So that's a good part with the matchtrader. In terms of user interface, they have very interesting user interface. Even this is very smooth interface than the MT5 and MT4. If you have ever tried MT4 and MT5 charts, then they are very sticky, but in this case you're not gonna see that, because this is very simple thing to do. And in the matchtrader you are going to have a good chart. They have their web platform as well as mobile application, so you can use that. Now let's talk about dxtrade. So I didn't say anything, but now I'm saying everything what I said and everything what I'm gonna say, that is just brutally honest. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, but this is totally unbiased video. But with the dxtrade, something crazy is going on. I'm not gonna lie, just go to funded next or fundingpips platform and then just join their Discord server, and then on the Discord you will see some memes on the dxtrade. I mean, just look at the chart. Okay, if you just look at the chart of a dxtrade, then you will see some kind of candles that are very massive, that are just very small. So these are the some complications with the dxtrade. If you don't believe me, then you can see this Blue Guardian post where they have simply asked for a platform, ctrader or dxtrade, and everybody is saying ctrader anyway, ctrader. There's no one who is saying we want dxtrade except one or two persons. So you can see what is going on dxtrade, and they have to improve their charts, because this is very bad thing and this is going to impact on some prop firms. Now let's talk about our mini trading view. Yeah, you heard it right, because I'm just telling about the tradelocker. Believe me guys, tradelocker is way more great than these platforms, because if you want to analyze your trades as well as if you want to execute your trade on a single platform, then use tradelocker, because there's no difference between tradelocker and TradingView. Just go and check the tradelocker website. You're gonna see some similar fonts and similar style of TradingView. And if you just want to analyze your trade at the same time you're gonna execute your trade, then you can just use this platform. This is just a fire thing. Okay, if you want a simple interface with very simple executions, smooth executions, then you can use it. Okay, and that's why people call it mini trading view, and you can use it on multiple devices. Okay, so mainly these are the 4 platforms that are very popular among traders. So find one which you like most and just start your trading journey. Happy trading guys, thanks for watching.